Okay, it is 48 degrees here in Longview, Texas. And we've got this Trane XB13 air conditioner running. It's from 2007 and it's a 4-ton. Cold, so air is cold coming out the top. So. Oh, it is actually a heat pump, it looks like. But either it's not working or it's running cool mode right now. There's a couple Daikin inverters right here. That one's off. And this one is also off. Looks like. That's a heat pump. It's a 9,000 BTU from 2014. I'm not gonna get the data on that one. There's two Lennox, probably Lennox Merits there. 2008 3-ton. This is actually a heat pump as well. Too bad none of these are in heat mode. So, this Daikin inverter mini split unit turned on. I don't know, based on the air coming out, I'd say it's in cool mode, but yeah. There's a little steam show from that vent. Here's a desert air. I believe this is some kind of pool unit. Because the pool is right in there, so 2 more of these Lennox units. That's a heat pump as well. Yeah, these heat pumps. Also from 2008, that's a 4-ton. Probably Copeland scroll compressors. Here's a pretty new Daikin right here that's running. I checked yesterday, it's not a heat pump, so it's also in cool mode. And the data sheet is kind of crammed back there, but hopefully nobody sees me. Alright, that is from... It's a 5-ton from 2018, so the line is cold, yeah. So this one's probably a heat pump as well, but 2008 4-ton, and yes, it's a heat pump. It was running in cool mode last night. It was about 55, I think. So yeah, and that's all the units I have here. So 2 running in cool mode. At the place next door, there's a Lennox Merit. I can't get into it, but okay, 2012 2.5 ton. And just shut off. So that was in cool mode as well. And actually, I was wrong. This one is a heat pump. And I felt the line, it wasn't. Appeared to be in heating mode. So never mind. This Goodman's also a heat pump. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here before I get caught. this Goodman fired up. And not sure if that's a heat or cool. It's not really warm or cold. 2021.